A very good morning from Bali. I have some good news. This is my bachelor's trip. Yes, I am getting married and I am looking forward to having a travel partner for life. Getting married in January, doing my bachelor's party in Bali in November. And I went to Thailand for a solo trip for just 5 days, but it was packed with adventure. So if you haven't watched these videos, if you haven't watched those videos, please do. But after this one, it's officially time to start the trip and we want to do it the right way. We want to visit a temple because Bali is a Hindu island and I want to experience how two different, the same religion can be practiced differently. How different is it from how we practice Hinduism? And I'm looking forward to it. So let's go to Uluwatu temple. It's going to be fun. Okay, something shitty has happened on the way. We thought we had our wallet, but it's in the other scooty. And we just went into a shop, got our scooty filled with petrol, only to realize that we do not have a wallet. And we do not have network. We do not have a SIM. Our friends do not have a SIM, even if we find a network. Right now, we're trying to stop anyone who can give us 10,000 IDR. They're just 50 rupees. And we offered to keep our watch, but the shop owner said no. So we're just going to try to stop a tourist, ask them for 10,000 rupiah, and I hope we find help soon. We got help. A really nice guy, his name is Roman. He helped us out and he also had very little change. So he gave us notes of 2,000, then 1,000, then some coins, and he also had to find it everywhere, wherever he could keep it. And he managed to give us 10,000 rupiah, and I think that's all he had. He's taking money out from the ATM, but he was practically all out before he could help, and that's the guy. This was so much fun, and I think it's a memory that we're going to talk about somewhere down the line in future. Thankfully, we have reached Uluwatu. Now we have to find our friends because we still do not have network, and they also don't.
They have already paid for our parking.
Yes. That was nice. So when we were entering the temple premises, right, there was a gate and the guard stopped us and asked us for our names. And I said Anurag and Abhas said Abhas. And he said, okay, you guys have already been paid for. Our friends have realized that we don't have money. So that's good. Let's try to find them and visit Uluwatu temple. We're just telling everyone what happened.
तो हुआ कि पैसे ले ले, ठीक है, तो हम क्या हुआ, अब हम करें क्या, हम खड़े हो गए, तो अब हम हंसने लग गए दोनों, अब हम करें क्या, करेगा तो
और ये हंसे जा रहा, मैं बोला भाई हंस मत, हमें कोई चीज देनी पड़ेगी अब हुआ क्या रखवाएं, मैं ऐसे देख रहा हूँ कि हम रखवा क्या सकते हैं।
तो भाई मैंने देखा, पहले सीधा हाथ देखा, मैंने कड़ा, मैंने कहा तो चांदी का, मैंने इधर देखा, मैंने कहा घड़ी, तो मैंने कहा भाई मेरी बात सुन, मैंने कहा I'll give you my watch, will come back, will pay you and you give my watch back. He said I'll take your watch and will not give back.
The catching up is done. It's time to enter the Uluwatu temple. You're supposed to cover your legs while visiting a temple here, so we are doing that, and let's go.
मैं आपको एक जिंदा प्राणी दिखाना चाहता हूँ। मंदिर है इसलिए मैं गाली नहीं देना चाहता। इसे देखो।
It's so peaceful to walk through this jungle. And we have been made aware of monkeys and protecting our sunglasses, not bringing any food. So trying to be mindful of that. It's not crowded yet, but we are yet to reach the main temple area. Also, everyone just looks so nice with these dhotis. I think they call it something else, but dhotis.
Sarong.
Sarong? They call it sarong, according to Abhas. So fact check. Since Uluwatu temple is on a mountain top, we have just come across the first amazing view of the sea. And I need to tell you something. Just hold on and check out the sea first. So I think we were 30 kilometers away from where we are right now, probably on a beach around Seminyak, and I saw this big statue on a mountain, and it was so far away, and it had to be so big to be visible. And today we traveled like 30 kilometers to reach this place. So the main statue of the god they pray here, I'm not sure yet which one, The main statue is massive because I could see it from such a big distance. And this, by the way, is absolutely amazing. See the waves? They're coming in sets. These are perfect waves to surf on, but there are rocks right here, so you can't really take that risk. But these are like perfect waves to surf on. Such a picture perfect, such a scenic, such a beautiful and a peaceful place to be at. The weather could have been nice. It's too hot. Like my shirt is drenched in sweat. I'm coming to realize that the big statue might not be here. There is a statue right there, but that's not the statue I looked at. Another amazing view of the sea. That's where we were, around the temple. God, I'm loving these waves.
Namaste.
ओ यार तू क्यों बना रहा है यार अनुराग यार
Sadly, the statue is not here, but I did see it on our way here. So it's somewhere around here. So I just have to look at that statue. So many monkeys, just so many monkeys. And they are perfectly camouflaged in the forest. Roaming around in Uluwatu temple was such a peaceful experience, but it's time to feed the body. We're gonna eat something and then my quest to find that big statue will continue. This restaurant has such a nice view with the famous Bali swings, but they charge you 200,000 IDR. That's our 1,000 rupees, around 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, something around that. So not doing that and not really into it at all. I had duck for the first time. It was really good. Very close. The consistency of the meat, the way it feels in your mouth is like chicken, but the meat is darker in color, and obviously there's a taste difference, but pretty close to chicken. And I wanted to try duck. It's one of the things I'll definitely try again. Yesterday I tried octopus for the first time. Won't be my top 5 in seafood. I think I'll have fish, I'll have crab, lobster, prawns, shrimps over octopus. But if I have to eat it, I didn't dislike it, but it won't be a preference in seafood. But duck, definitely. Whenever I get a chance to try it next, I will definitely do it. But won't always choose it over chicken, because chicken is in the heart. It's always in the heart. Alright, so now back to the quest of finding that statue. Found the statue. Take a look. It's right there. I wanted to see which god statue it is, and it's Vishnu. And it's called Garud Vishnu Kenkan, which is like a Balinese term. Cultural Park, that is the name. I'm so excited. I finally found it. Just had to actually Google big statue in Bali. That's all I did. They have a shuttle bus that takes you there. So we're just planning for our pickup.
Okay, so I've just learned 2 words. You said thank you, Samsam, and welcome is Terima kasih. Thank you.
Alright, I'm sad. So we reached this place. There are tickets and all. I don't worry about that. But this tour is going to take a long time, and that's what I don't have right now. Because tomorrow my debut album comes out. If you know me, you know it already, right? That I'm a musician. If you don't know me, my debut album is coming out tomorrow, 22nd November. So I have to head back and prepare for that. Last glimpse of the statue, but I will be back. I will be back. Alright, done with my work, the album work that I had to do. And now we're heading to Fins Beach Club, a very popular beach club in Bali. We are already late, the sun has already set, but we still have some light. So let's try to catch whatever there is from Fins Beach Club. I'm in a hurry, let's go. We have finally reached. It's very happening, to say the least. And weirdly, they have the statue of Lord Ganesh here. Not the best place to put a statue of Lord Ganesh, but you do what you do, Bali. Let's go inside. That's Finn's Beach Club right beside me. And it's again happening at least. It's too crowded, so many people, and it's too loud. That's why I had to come towards the beach to speak into the camera. So I'll just keep recording and having fun. Having fun is more important than recording. So yeah, let's go. Let's have fun.
Yeah.